We're at Kyoto Station going to Kansai Airport, and we're gonna take the Haruka train today. Seated on A and B, and our bag is behind us. Got new shoes for this trip. New Balance, guys. This is our breakfast. We brought banana and I have my protein shake. We just arrived at the airport. We're here now, gonna check in, and we're flying via Viet Jet. First time to fly Viet Jet. There's no line. This is the check-in gate for Ho Chi Minh. Let's go through security. So Kansai Airport already updated their security gates. So you just have to scan your boarding pass. Oh, get that. We're passing duty-free again. Capitalism Street, according to Daichang. We're gonna try some samples. I have this one, Daichang has this one. We just tried some Hermes perfumes earlier. We're here going to our gate and we're hungry. Most stores here open at 8 a.m. So at this time, you cannot do some shopping yet. We're not gonna do shopping, we don't have money. We're going to gate 4, but we're gonna look for food along the way. There's a ramen place here, Mensho. The prices here are so expensive. The cheapest is 1,750 yen. This onigiri burger is also very expensive. Sushi wataku. Shrimp sushi, salmon. They also have kimbap. Let's check Family Mart. I'm gonna get some onigiri. This one's good. We're gonna get egg sandwich too. I'm gonna get my favorite koicha from Itoen. We also got yakitori. We're still confused if we're gonna buy some sushi here. We're gonna have breakfast. The yakitori from Family Mart is so tasty but really salty. That's our plane. We're just waiting to board. Delayed boarding by 20 minutes. It's our first time trying Viet Jet. I hope this is a good flight. 23. First impressions, the seat looks clean and the legroom's not so bad. Delayed obviously by maybe 30 minutes. We're still halfway in our flight, closing in on Taiwan. Let's check the food menu. So they have English and Vietnamese. And as you can see, there's a domestic price and international price. The international price is quite expensive. I'm curious about this one. Daichang's interested in this one. Then they have other international meals like Malaysian food, Singaporean, Thai, and Italian. I don't know what this one is. And other instant food, some snacks. This is interesting. Mango chili shake and drinks. So they also have some other items, non-food items like toys for kids, this pilot and attendant uniform, and more toys and souvenirs. Not bad for 1,200 yen. And duty-free items. They also have vegetarian menu like Indian kofta, and this one looks so spicy. Let's check the other literature. This one is travel magazine with mostly Vietnamese text, so we can't understand. Some parts have English, but on the advertisements maybe. Jet has a lot of domestic domestic flights to major Vietnam cities like Hanoi, and also a lot of international flights. They fly to India. I don't know where these are. They have lots of flights going to Japan and also some flights going to Australia. There are no in-flight entertainments available, so we're just reading the literature inside the seat pocket. There's some clear air turbulence. Let's check the toilet of this aircraft and look at the background. It's like some flowers and leaves, and the toilet is not dirty. There's soap which is leaking, and there are some tissues. At least it's clean. The sea land was still so far. The weather looks bad. Ooh, Ho Chi Minh City. Touchdown. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Boom. We're going by bus to the immigration. Whoa, it's a big plane. So this is the regular terminal. The airport is huge. We're here at the arrivals. So we have to go up the stairs. But there's an elevator right there at the end, heading to the arrivals. The immigration's so long. There's so many people. We have to fall in line. Maybe it will take a long time to get out. Daishang is putting his SIM card. We just exchanged our SIMs here at the immigration area. We're so hungry and tired, and we need to look for a bank, and we need to get a Grab to our ferry. Upon arrival, there are duty-free shops available if you forgot to buy your souvenirs. It's raining outside. So we're here gonna withdraw money using my Wise card. Yay! So we're able to withdraw money using our Wise card without any dong in my account. The rain is crazy. We can't go anywhere. We got our Grab and we're looking for it. So we have to cross the rain for Grab. There's no route going to the place where you can grab your Grab, so bring an umbrella. And we're already wet. That's the airport behind me. We had to cross. So we're already here inside the Grab, going to our hotel. Thank you for watching our travel to Ho Chi Minh City via VietJet. I will be posting Ho Chi Minh travel vlogs, food adventures, and hotel experiences in the following weeks. Please subscribe for more. Before we go, do you live in Vietnam and have issues with your drinking water at home? Or do you want improved water quality for you and your family for a reasonable cost? If so, I may have the solution for you. Featuring the Nazava Water Filters. The filter is made of ceramic, has silver for antimicrobial properties, and activated carbon for clearing unwanted organic materials.
Đây, thì nhảy nước đây.
It also like it doesn't smell. Like it's really nice. Because inside the filter there is activated carbon. It will absorb. And it has a lot of silver. Here. To kill the germ.
Cheers!
For more information, contact my friend Trang, who is passionate in bringing clean water to Vietnamese families. The information is in the description box below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, share, and comment. See you again in the next Ho Chi Minh Adventure video. Bye!